Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off suggestions on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are using. Once you open that browser, go to the URL section and just type Google Docs, hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and from this page, make sure to click at the first link, make sure not an ad or advertisement. When you click on it, it will take you into this page. From that page, make sure to sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't, you'll need to sign up for free to create an account. Once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen. And as we said, and first of the video, we would like to turn off suggestions. Of course, if you want to do that, we would like first of all to open the documents. Of course, let's say as an example, like you can open a blank document, you can open some of recent documents, or you can just choose some of their templates right here. Of course, probably will not find any mistake here, so suggestions will not even be turned on here. So let me just go here and open a recent document, which is actually empty. And let's say as an example, I'm just going to write here, don't you do what I am going to say, like that. So as you can see, they are actually like, and now as you can see, they are showing me like this underline. Some of their lines are actually red and some of them blue. So they're actually first of all telling me where's the error, and now when I right click on the actual mistake, they'll show me actually the suggestions. So how can I actually remove this or turn off the suggestions? Simply, if I want to do that, go to here to tools, now go to spelling and grammars, and now you can actually remove this show spelling suggestions and even click on it again and this grammar suggestion. So as you can see now, if I go back, and as you can see, it's wrong again. But even if I go and write, let me just write another things like don't do that. I'm going to write that like that. So as you can see, they aren't telling me nothing. So I actually turned off the suggestion. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.